Woo! This is Darren from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. This is our morning drive time here in Asia video for you. Wow, we're seeing green everywhere. It's good to see green. I love the green. We're seeing Ethereum up. We're seeing Bitcoin up. We're seeing Doge up, guys. We got a whole bunch of stuff to talk about. There's an amazing pattern that's forming. We're going to talk about it. Dogecoin is headed to $1. This pattern confirms it. And this pattern is on the weekly chart. We're going to jump into that, guys. It's going to be huge. So remember, you need to watch this whole video to the end if you want to find out why Dogecoin is heading to $1. Woo! It's a great time to be alive. We're also going to talk about some Ethereum news. We've got some Bitcoin news. We've got a very huge billionaire who's predicting $250,000 Bitcoin coming in at the end of the year. Wow! Woo! This is fantastic, guys. And remember one thing. This is not financial advice. This is just education, edutainment for you right now. And if you like this channel, and if you like the OG, I like the OG, you should like the OG, smash the likes right down. Subscribe, BYB. Get it while you can, and subscribe. And please remember, go back and watch the other videos. We got some real barn burner of videos. You need to go back and do it. And remember, this video is about you, for you. I'm working for you. God bless everybody out there. Woo! Let's get into the content. Let's do it. Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm all fired up. It's a green day. Green. It's a green day. Let's go. Woo! All right. So we're seeing that Ethereum right now has broken past $3,500. Wow, it's amazing. And if we look at the chart right now, we can see that Ethereum is totally on fire. It's on fire. It's already almost at 3,800, guys. And today we got as high as $3,861 on Ethereum. Wow, guys, we've gone back a little bit. Some people have been taking some profit. Some of the weak Nazis out there, they couldn't hold it. They panicked and they said, it's not going up anymore, so I better sell. So this is what we're seeing here: a little bit of weak Nancy action because people panicked and blew their load early because they couldn't hold on. So whatever, it's going up. And we've also broken past this resistance level that we had right here at 3,700. And we're absolutely on fire. Ethereum is on fire. Ethereum is broken out. We're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is also coming down, guys. Bitcoin dominance. Hopefully we can get down below 41%. I think we're going to do that. We're also seeing the market cap is on fire. It's at 2.25 trillion. Woo! And the volumes are good. I'd love to see anything over 89 billion in 24 hours is good. I mean, I'd like to see personally this in the hundreds of billions in terms of 24-hour volumes. So with that being said, let's jump back into it. So Ethereum price breaks 3,500, hits 3-month highs against Bitcoin. Yeah. So you can see that the dominance absolutely is playing a huge part. We're also seeing a lot of the old coins right now popping off. And also Dogecoin is also popping off. So we're going to jump into that in a minute. Hold on to your hats because, definitely Dogecoin is heading to $1. You need to watch this video to the end and find out why. Because there's a huge technical pattern on the 1 week that's forming. And also a 3-year resistance level that we've just passed, guys. It's amazing, guys. It's insane. Insane in the membrane. I love it. So Ethereum climbed to 3.4% to 3,546, the highest since May. So this is the highest prices that we have seen Ethereum since May 18th. Cool, right? And not only this, and time of right, we're already blown past that. So this is old news. But the gist of it is here. And that hodling detecting. We're seeing more and more people hodling. So if you look at all the on-chain data, we got supply shock for Ethereum. We got supply shock for Bitcoin. We got people moving their Bitcoin and Ethereum and other coins and Dogecoin off the exchanges and into cold storage wallets or other custodial services. This is huge, guys. This is bullish. We're going to absolutely explode, guys. We're going to explode. Now, you guys just have to be careful. And we're seeing here, blockchain analysts from CryptoCon reported that the amount of Ethereum held in exchange wallet has declined from 19.45 million on August 18th, to 18.75 million on Wednesday. So that's Ethereum, guys. That's not dollars. That's Ethereum. So one thing you guys need to be really aware of and just keep in mind is that typically, let me get my face out of there. So this is the Bitcoin monthly chart, and it goes all the way. Get my face out of there. I'm getting dizzy. I'm getting dizzy. So this chart goes all the way back to 2011, and you can see here that typically speaking, I'll put it over here. Typically speaking, if you look at September, September is typically a bear month, guys. So we see one. So we have here, just to make it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 years, okay? 10 years, because 2021 not printed yet. So you can see that out of the 10 years, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Septembers tend to be bearish, okay? So guys, just be warned that, we're seeing lots of green now, but typically September is a very bearish month, where October and November and December are highly, highly bullish. Particularly November and October, they're very, very, very sweet for the crypto. So don't be upset with the OG if this green just goes, the first week or first 2 weeks of September we go up. Then we have like a 1 week consolidation. Maybe mid September we have a consolidation, and then we start to break out as we get to October. That could happen based on what Bitcoin does in the past. We see September as being kind of a bullish, bearish month. But remember, this could be different because we have more and more institutions buying up the crypto. All right, guys, if you like this channel, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and God bless everybody out there. Woo! And be well, be blessed, and spread the love, guys. Let's jump into some more news right now, guys. We are on track. We have Tim Draper. He's a billionaire. Must be a smart guy, because you don't become a billionaire by being a dum-dum. So, hey, Tim Draper saying that Bitcoin could hit $250,000 this year. And also Plan B is also saying the same thing. That's the top end of the scale. But Plan B did say that in September we could be seeing a little bit of a correction in Bitcoin. I don't know. But, let's go. I'm taking the green. I'm seeing the green today. I'm taking it. Let's take it. And let's not be Debbie Downers right now. But just keep in mind, guys, I'm not trying to be a Debbie Downer. I'm just trying to paint it and tell it like it is, guys, that September is typically in the crypto world, September is a bad month. So, take it for what it is. Remember, if it's a bad month, no problem. Dollar cost average, because we got October, November. That's going to fly. Woo! So, some more news. Let's get into some more news, guys, right now. So, let's get back to the Draper story. So, the Draper in the house is saying that, we could see the trends are putting Bitcoin on track for 250,000. Venture capitalist Tim Draper had an interview recently, and he talked about the number one cryptocurrency, that's Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Don't forget my Dogecoin in the house. And he said that, he says that he believes there's a driving force behind BTC with widespread adoption and more people being able to use Bitcoin, instead of fiat currency, could see Bitcoin going to $250,000 this year. And I don't think that's it. I don't think that's a stretch, guys. $100,000 Bitcoin, that's definitely coming, guys. That's easy peasy, lemon squeezy, no problemo to get 100,000. $100,000 Bitcoin, that's conservative. $10,000 Ethereum, that's conservative. And $1 Dogecoin, conservative. And we're going to talk about. Keep watching to the end, guys, because I'm going to show you why I think that Dogecoin is going over $1, and the technicals support that. I support that. The whole world support that. Woo! Let's get it, guys. So some other newsy woozy woos. Dogecoin Foundation clarifies its relationship with Doge 2.0. So there's this coin flying around right now, which is called Doge 2.0. Okay, this is, the Doge 2.0. This Doge 2.0 is not Dogecoin, our beloved Dogecoin, with an upgrade. This is just another project, and it's kind of like, it's not directly affiliated. It has no affiliation with the Dogecoin. It's just called, the developers of Dogecoin 2.0. So I believe the foundation has contacted lawyers, and they're kind of saying like, come on, this is a bit of a trademark infringement. So there's going to be a little bit of a fight it out over that. So if you see this whole Dogecoin 2.0 project, this has nothing to do with our Dogecoin. So don't be alarmed. So Dogecoin 2.0 is a new project that has recently entered the meme coin community. The coin promotes itself as an upgraded Doge, a DeFi token on the BS chain. It is not hard for investors to mistake the token with the original Doge. This has promoted the Dogecoin Foundation to put out a statement clarifying the relationship. So basically, Dogecoin 2.0 are separate tokens, and someone's basically trying to leverage the Dogecoin name and put the 2.0. I mean, it's a clear ripoff. Okay, guys. So just that being said, how can you get away with that, right? Like, if you said Coca-Cola 2.0, you don't think the Coca-Cola Corporation would go after you? They would go after you, like, with a passion. So I don't know how in the crypto world people can, be ripping off the Doge. I don't know. Maybe Dogecoin is not trademarked or TM. Maybe that's what crypto developers and blockchain developers need to do. They need to start registering their coins not only as coins but also as a trademark. I think that's the issue. So yeah, if I was going to make a crypto, the first thing I'd do is I'd register a trademark so no one can rip me off. But yeah, Dogecoin 2.0, get out of there. Jackie Chan 2.0, Dogecoin, check. Okay, so we don't want to be doing anything. Remember that it's got nothing to do with my Doge. We love the Doge. So right now, also, some other big news that's coming out is Twitter rolling out Bitcoin tipping feature, latest code updates. So it looks like that the Dorsey, Twitter is reportedly testing an option of tipping with Bitcoin as part of its tip jar feature that following the company CEO Jack Dorsey stating that Bitcoin is a major part of Twitter's future, hinting that cryptocurrency will be a part of several upcoming products. So that would be really nice. So if you have a Twitter, a tweet, you could be a twit on Twitter and get away with it. Is that called like a double tweet? So anyways, so if you have a really nice tweet on Twitter, get tongue down. So basically, if you have a tweet on Twitter and you like it, you could tip. So that's kind of good. I mean, if you're a content creator on Twitter, hey, why not get some tippy, show your love. Hey, and speaking about love, if you're watching the stream, hey, remember, super chats are always appreciated. Support the OG, support the channel. Woo, you want it. Let's get it, guys. So let's jump into Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin is all fired up, and we're getting gingerly close to 50,000. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at $49,694. We're going to get there. I got a feeling I can smell 50K coming in. Can you smell it? I can smell it. So I think we're going to break past 50K today here in Asia because it's a pretty nice day. We got the sun, we got the sea, we got the mountains, we got fresh air, and we're still in lockdown. So, I'm climbing the walls. Nah, I'm okay. I got my new haircut. This is called a home cut because we can't go out. So I'm happy I got my home cut. So if you look at the rainbow chart, come on. Yeah, I'm going to minty refresh this for you because, the internet's a little bit bad here in Vietnam. So we're still in the hodl phase. We're hoping that FOMO intensifies. And like I said yesterday, if Bitcoin can get past 51,000 to blast off to 60,000 is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's going to happen. And it's not going to be, like I said, a meandering, water dropping, 10 years later thing. It's going to be like, go to sleep, wake up, zong, hey, Bitcoin's at 60,000. How did that happen? It's going to be one of those things. It's definitely going to be like, how did that happen? Like with Ethereum. I woke up this morning, it's like, what? How did that happen? Maybe the OG needs to sleep more because it seems that when the OG sleeps, things go green. So maybe I should just sleep. Maybe I'll sleep through the rest of this video. Time to wake up? Yep. Okay. So maybe things went up after I had that micro sleep, 1 second sleep. So let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. Let me give this a minty refresh, make sure it's right and updated. So yesterday, the Fear and Greed was at 71. The sentiment is improving. Well, of course it's improving because we're seeing a green day. So we're at 74 right now. Good. I love it. And let's take a look at the altcoin season in the house. Let me give this a refresh. It was 80 yesterday. Now we're back up to 86. Get out of there, pop-ups. I hate pop-ups. And so that's really good, guys. We're not in altcoin year, but we're definitely in altcoin month. As you can see here, I'm not making this up. And you can see these are all the projects that are right now are outperforming Bitcoin. We have more than 75% of the market outperforming Bitcoin. That's huge. We love it. I love it. We need it. And it's on fire. So if you're ever wondering what projects you should be looking at in terms of possible looking at to pick up, you can always look here because this will tell you what coins are popping off against Bitcoin. So it's really good, guys. And then you can even go to the altcoin season and also see which coins are popping off. So guys, this is a good guide. So with that being said, let's we talked about Ethereum already. Let's take a look at the burn. So right now we're burning 165,000 Ethereum. I love it. You love it. Let's take a quick look at Cardano in the house. Remember, we had this ascending triangle. I said this was bearish. We broke down, and now we're picking ourselves up, guys. Picking it up. So Cardano is moving up, and it's at $2.90. That's good news. I love it. Let's take a look at Polkadot in the house. Polkadot is still on fire. We're at 32 cents. Yesterday we hit a high of $34, not 32 cents. Hello there. And right now, Polkadot is, giving up a little bit of territory. But don't worry, a little bit of profit taking. You might see some profit taking, but, in a couple of hours, as we hit into lunchtime here in Vietnam, things are going to be picking up. So let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana is coming back. We see this nice trend line. Yesterday, we took some profits. Now we're picking on up, and right now we're $113. So not too shabby. I think we'll be at all-time highs pretty soon. So let's take a look at this. So right now, Dogecoin headed for over $1. Market analyst believes. I believe it. And we're seeing this report from speaking at the Begenza Trading Festival. Poche, financial analyst and president of market research firm McCartar, said that he would not be surprised if Dogecoin is over $1. And the market analyst says that the coin is now forming something that resembles a bull flag or a bull pennant that has been expecting new highs if it were to break the upper trend lines. He also explained that Dogecoin recently broke a 3-year mostly horizontal drift line. So let's take a look at that right here, and then we'll go into the actual chart. So you can see we have this 3-year drift line that goes all the way from here to here. We broke out of that. We have broken past that, and we see this bull pennant here. So let's take a look at on the chart here. So the other good news is on the 1-day chart, we see this descending triangle, and this descending triangle is also very, very bearish. We have broken past that, and now we're going up, guys. Let me just change this to green. So we see right now Doge is at 30 cents. Yeah, exactly like I said. I told you guys that we need to maintain and hold this support to continue our revival up, and we did. We have maintained that level. This was a 27.89 level, and we maintained that for 24 hours, and that's why we're seeing a huge pumpity pump. And where we need to get to next is our 32 to 33 cent resistance level. This is my purple box line. So we need to get past that. We're broken past the purple trend line. But if we look at the 1-day chart, the 1-week chart, you can definitely see this bull and pennant. So you can see right here, we have this bull flag pennant. Then we formed another bull flag pennant right here. And this is the flag here. And we're looking at a huge breakout. And if we can break out of this pattern here, and right now you can see the top of the flag is right here to right here. If we can break out of that pattern, then we could see ourselves definitely on our way to $1. It's huge. It's fantastic. Woo! Let's get it, guys. So you can see that Dogecoin is really very bullish. We've broken past this 3-year trend line. This 3-year trend line extends around about here, guys. So this 3-year trend line extends around about here. We've broken past that, and we have a bull flag, one bull flag. We have another bull flag, and this is on the weekly time frame. And this shows that we're definitely going to be breaking out. And if we measure the top of this bull flag here, from where it broke out to the point of here, that is like a 784% increase, guys. So imagine. So if we painted that up here, if we took this here and we put it up here from the point of breakout, which is around about here, definitely that's like 80 cents right there. So this is really cool, guys. This is really bullish in the house for Doge. So let's take a look at Doge on the 4-hour chart. And Doge is looking really bullish on the 4-hour chart, guys. We're seeing we broke out. We definitely have broken out of this descending triangle here that I painted a couple days ago. And it's looking really huge. We kind of went sideways. We broke down, but now we're breaking out. And we have just gone past our 30 cent. We're just at the 30 cent line, so I'm going to turn that to green. So you guys should be really pumped. You guys should be really excited. This is a great time to be alive. Woo! So let's jump in the markets right now. Let's jump in the market marks. And let me give this a minty refresh. And let's do it, guys. So, it's just so sad. I remember this article here. It's not only me saying this. This is a financial analyst who's saying this, that Doge is definitely going to get to $1. So this is not just the YouTubers. This is not the OG in the house, the hypey hype. This is a real analyst saying that we're going to get to $1. And we can see that the pattern here is printed exactly as I just told you. We got this bull flag pennant, and we're definitely breaking out to $1. So let's get back into the marks. So right now, we've got Bitcoin up 6.6%. That's huge, guys. And we're at 49,643. Woo! We got Ethereum at 3,776. That's up almost 10.5%. In the house, we got ADA. It's almost at $3. It's $2.92, and that's up 6.33%. And BNB has just broke $500 again, and that's up 9.32%. So Doge is up 10%, guys, almost 11%, and that's up 30 cents. DOT is up 6%. Solana's up. So remember, yesterday I did tell you what coins you should be looking at and what coins that you should picked up. So if you picked up those coins yesterday because they were on discount, you're making bank right now. I told you to pick up Chainlink. You would have been up 11%. I told you to pick up Uni. You'd be up 5%. I told you to get Solana, get DOT. It's not too late. I told you to pick up Luna. If you'd have picked up all those coins today, you would be up an average almost 9% across the board, guys. It's a fantastic time to be alive. So let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house right now. I'm super excited. You should be excited. Remember, this portfolio is for educational purposes only, and if you decide to copy any part of this portfolio, you do so at your own risk. We are not financial advisor. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and look at our portfolio. It's on fire. We are up 60%, guys, 60.33%. Wow, and this portfolio we made together on July 2nd, and our total profit right now is $3,046. Woo! And we have just broke past $8,000, guys. We're on our way to 10K. It's a great time to be alive. I love it. You love it. And guys, do not forget to follow me on Twitter. Do it right now, guys. We're almost at 2,000 followers. All we need is 2 more followers, and we're going to hit 2,000. And remember, if you love this channel, don't forget super chat. Like the channel, subscribe, do it now. You know you want it. Get the channel, get it, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications right now. And please go and follow my links. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Go to Zen Music Addict, find your soul, chill, relax. We got tons of great music out there. This is a really good place to sit back, relax, and feel the good vibe. And remember, this channel is about spreading love. It's about God. It's about spreading the good vibe. And remember, support the channel with Patreon. Buy the channel on Coffee. And don't forget to check out the merch. We got tons of merch, guys. We've got hats. We got hoodies. We got t-shirts. We got polo shirts. Get the merch, guys. Get the merch. We've also got the muggy mug. We got socks. We got the backpackety pack. So guys, I just want to say God bless all of you. This is a great time to be alive. This is a great video. We're seeing greener days. We're going up, guys. Woo! Dogecoin to $1. Dogecoin to the moon. I can smell it. I can hear it. Let's do it. Woo! God bless each and every one of you. Woo! I'll see you in the next one. Wow.